In this video, we'll talk about how to enable the center stage feature on the Apple iPhone camera. One thing to note is that, in Apple iPhones, only the 17 series currently has the center stage feature. It'll likely be available in future models too, but it's not in older phones. Basically, this feature keeps you centered in the frame when using the selfie camera, even if you move around. To enable center stage, here's what you need to do: open the camera app. Next, switch to the selfie camera by tapping this button. Once you're there, you'll see a button like this at the top. Tap it. You'll find options for auto zoom and auto rotate, which might be turned off. If that's the case, you'll need to turn on both auto zoom and auto rotate. Once you've done that, center stage will be enabled, and you'll see it's now active. Now, when you open the selfie camera and move around, the camera will adjust to keep you in the center. This feature also works in FaceTime.
So, if you're making FaceTime calls and moving slightly, the camera will automatically adjust to keep you centered. That's how you can easily enable center stage on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.